Hey guys, welcome to Gradina Space. Today we're gonna try a kit I bought from the market. It's kind of cheap looking. It was cheap, to be honest. But yeah, we're basically gonna try and plant some seeds in a garden start kit. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, let's get rid of that. So what do we have here, eh? So we've got parsley. You know, that's good. We've got, what is that, sweet basil. Yeah, that's good. What's this? Chives. Yep. Love me some chives, you know, green soups, you know, Asian soups and all that. You can add them there. Anyways, what else do we have here? We've got some dirt, you know, some soil to plant the seeds in. You know, this is gonna be our container. You know, we're obviously gonna add some extra ingredients to boost the nutrients of the soil. And yeah, we've got like some instructions and stuff, you know, like those are basically some simple instructions on how to, you know, plant all the seeds and add all the nutrients in. So what do we have here, eh? So we've got parsley, you know, that's good. We've got, what is that, sweet basil. Yeah, that's good. What's this? Chives. Yep. Love me some chives, you know, green soups, you know, Asian soups and all that. You can add them there. Anyways, what else do we have here? We've called soil, that is. Jesus Christ. Okay. Well, you add the soil first. Yeah, that's the first step. God damn it. And if you're smarter than me, you're gonna use some scissors to cut the package and not make a huge mess, you know, like that. That would be nice. But we add the soil. We put the package to one side. Then you add half of this package. It's basically phosphorus and other quality nutrients you use in combination with the soil to make the seeds sprout even faster and grow bigger and stronger. So we're gonna cut this like so. Place that there. Sprinkle some here. Alright. Also make sure when you sprinkle it, you know, like mix it together, you know, so it's a better mixture of soil and fertilizer, you know, because otherwise you're going to be wondering why the seeds on the left are sprouting way more and way faster than the seeds on the right. You know, you need to have a consistent mixture. All right, so now that it's mixed, you need to choose. I like chives because you can make lots of soups with them. So yeah, add the chives first. Okay. What's this? The hell? Okay. Ingredients, you know, special ingredients. It's well mixed together, you know. Now we're gonna add the chives. I believe that's where we left off. God damn, there's wind outside. Add some seeds inside. You dig it up, you know, you fill it. Make another hole, add some seeds there. Yeah. Then you pack it in. Yeah, add a third hole, like so. Add some seeds. Pack it in. See? You just keep on going. I'm gonna split it into two halves, yeah? I'm gonna add the chives in one bit, and then I'm gonna add the parsley to the second part of the container. Make some space here. Yep. Now the first package is done. I'm gonna open the second one up. Okay, another hole. Adding some of the parsley. And a bit here in the middle. I'm making a bigger one so it's got more space to breathe, you know. And I'm packing it in, you know. Like so. Boom. Done. So now we're moving on to this. We're moving on to the sweet basil. Yeah. Now we've got 2 packages here for the sweet basil. I'm tearing one up. Okay, like so. Because we've used the first half for the chives, I'm gonna use the second half for the basil. I'm just gonna make some small holes with my finger, as so. Planting the basil. Boom. Not too much. You know, we've covered the holes. It's all good. Making some small holes next to it, you know, and we just repeat the process. Okay, okay. Some small holes again. You see, like this. Boom. Yeah. You know what? A bit more. You know, like you can never be too careful with this. You need to have as much as you can. Okay. One last hole. We're dumping the whole package in. It is what it is. Okay. Now, half of our container is basically basil. Half of our container is chives. Now, what we need is to add the other half of this, the nutrients, and then we're gonna cover it with even more dirt. Okay, you see the nutrients are added. Yep, like so. I'm gonna add a bit more dirt to this. Okay, adding it in, spreading it a bit. Okay. Now for the most important step, you need to add some water to this. You know, you need to be a bit careful because we don't have a lot of space to work with. Just a bit of water, you know, just some drops. There you go. Not too much. You don't want to drown the plants or the seeds. Oh. Okay. Maybe a bit more. And yeah, basically the next step is to wait. You know, you water these every day, you know, a bit of water. You check with your finger if it's dry, if it's still moist, you don't add water. And yeah, you just do it for a couple of days, and in about a week you're gonna see some sprouts, you know, you're gonna see some cool ass plants, and then you're gonna have vegetables to cook soups with, you know, like deep stuff in it. Like, so yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe. We're trying to work hard and improve the content, and yeah, we'd appreciate the support. You know, much love, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye. Boom.